Yeah, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the blinking thing that I did. Poppy asked for a KeyCut tutorial, but I'm too lazy to put in all the transitions I do. So I'll link a video down in the description if you're really curious on how to do it. Probably going to be learning right effects. So I did choose these eyes because I haven't done them and they seemed easy enough. So you do have to hit the hashtag button and go to change and hit that twice. Then you'll get that. And of course I forgot to screenshot the normal face. So I had to do it with a different one. So then I went out of my phone. Ignore all the weird apps I have. Go into Abyss Paint or any other background clearing app that works. It's pretty simple. You click the picture that you had before, get the canvas size. Now, the canvas size on this one doesn't really matter, especially in Abyss Paint. I usually choose original because when I import other pictures, they are already the size they need to be instead of being sized down. And now I crop out everything else except for the eyes. That way I can just focus on them. Then I had to crop out the white next to the eyes because the inside of your eye is like white. I realized I should have done the background gray instead of any other color. Not any other color, any other color but gray and but white. This is like, and so it took me a while to get this, but eventually I got it. I did not use a stylus for this one, even though I do have one somewhere around my house. I did use my fingers, so this isn't that hard to do. I'm trying to think. Then you want to duplicate the layer. You want to erase the eye part except for the top eyelid. And then you just like, after that, you're pretty much just after that you put the character skin color on top. And don't go down in the comments right now and say I got the skin color wrong. I know I got the skin color wrong. I don't have it in my color palette. So just work with me here. It would look a lot better if I did use the same skin color. You want to do that over the eyelids. You want to make it big enough to where it hides the other eyes underneath it. I don't know if anyone else does this or if it's just me, but I kind of did this on my own. I didn't ask any of my friends for help because none of them know how to use KeyCut or anything. I was just thinking about it one night, and then I came up. I did it. Okay, so you want to make the skin on top as big as the eyes so that it hides them. And another thing you really need to do is use bangs that will cover the skin on the side or the hair, because if you don't, you will see that skin overlapping the hair or any other important detail, or you'll see the eyes behind it, and you don't want that. So you either want to make it as small as possible or make it as big as possible with bangs. Well, like medium size, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, so I did take the eyes and test to see if they went underneath, and they did not, to my surprise. So I had to go over them, and now you need to use layers with this. I meet people who don't use layers. If you don't use layers? What are you doing with your life? What pain? Who hurt you? I mean, seriously, it's not that hard to figure out how to use layers. I did it when I was like the 4th grade or something. It's not that hard, like seriously. So then you want to go to CuteCut, and I'm not using the same OC, but I'm gonna go through some screenshots. And there's not much there, so please ignore the title on some of my videos. They're really weird. Don't judge me. I'm eating chips. And I have very bad spelling, for those of you who didn't know this. You want to just keep the settings all normal, or you can change the background depending on what you do. I had to go down to the other bangs I used today for a different thing. And yeah, you want to size the things so they fit on each other. And something buzzed. Then you want to use your eyes. And when you do this, you want to add a custom transition, and you want to use the squiggly line. Well, you want to scroll all the way over to the squiggly line, hit that. Then you want to click the out transition that almost looks like a circle. Okay? Circle. But you want to do it on the side that has out above it. You hear me?
I've had your little message to the universe.
At this point, I'm getting too busy to talk. So just watch the video.
That part. Where Pink
It's pretty
Diamond
simple.
spends the rest of her days on this nowhere planet with a bunch of nobodies. That's right, I heard the story over and over again. She is swell to finally meet her other friends. That's right, I heard the story, don't really like how it ends. She is swell to finally meet her other friends. What did she say about me? What did she say? What did you do without me? What did you do? Did you play games without me? What did you play? Did you think all this time that I wouldn't find out about you? Oh, that's right, I heard the story over and over again. She is swell to finally meet her other friends.
She's running circles around us.
I'm rusty. Give me a break.
It really is her, but she can't be serious.
You know her, Pearl? Can you tell us who she is?
Who am I? Who am I? What are you even saying? I'm the loser of the game. You didn't know you were playing.
all done. So yeah, thanks for watching.